Now to the biggest change, recreating the red panda. So I took into consideration all the comments on how the red panda looked too much like a raccoon and also moved too much like a raccoon. So I wanted a new character model, but I have zero Blender skills. And learning how to model and animate a new red panda would take far too long, and also probably be poorly executed. So I checked the asset store and found a more accurate looking red panda. I got it, and now I have a new model, but I ran into a new problem where I needed some of the old animations from the old red panda, specifically climbing. I quickly found out that Unity does not have a good way to retarget animations for non-humanoid characters. This was a major issue. I tried multiple different configurations in Unity and the model had no articulation, its transform just moved around the screen. I looked through forums and videos with no solution. At this point I was thinking I would just have to go back to the old red panda and just deal with it. So one day I remembered that Unreal has a really good retargeter. Was this the solution? Now I had to think through this process. After about 20 attempts, I figured out I need to use the new model and edit its skeleton in Blender because it had 3 root bones, and Unreal gets mad if there is more than one. So this was fun, trying to figure that out. So to keep this part short and simple, and not go into too much detail, I edited the new model skeleton in Blender, exported it as an FBX, imported it into Unreal, created an IK rig, and then repeated this process again for the old red panda and the new red panda with the unedited skeleton. I had to do this process because I needed animations from the old red panda and new red panda for the new red panda, the new red panda with the edited skeleton. I know this is getting confusing. I can go into more detail in another video if you want. This process took weeks to figure out for me. Now that I have 3 IK rigs, the process was pretty simple with the retargeter in Unreal. Just drag in the animation and retarget and export. The retargeter worked pretty well. A few animations required some tweaking. It took another week or so to retarget all the necessary animations. I don't know if this was the best way to go about it, but this was the solution I found and it worked for me. So the new red panda can do everything the old one could do and more. Now it has a new attack, a projectile attack. This will end up being the fire ability in the future. The red panda also has health, can be damaged, reacts to the damage, and has a death animation. So that's it for now for the red panda. Hey, thanks for checking out the devlog clip. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see the full video, click the pop-up and please like and subscribe. See you next time.